Hey guys, just want to give you a quick update on the VFR, more precisely on the Scottoiler. Turns out the Magnum high capacity reservoir I had attached was leaking. And didn't do a very good job. Leaked all over down there, and it was just from probably a small crack from shipping that I didn't notice, or else whatever, I don't know what way it leaked, but it leaked all over the place. So I removed it. I've had to move our Scottoiler to here, where I really didn't want to do it, but as you can see here, I have it attached on a slight incline. That's the best incline I can get on it. Attached with one of the zip cords that came with it. It wasn't so bad because I had all these already cut. That one is a bit long, so I might just trim that slightly. Which meant I had to reprime it, reset it, do the whole thing again, but it's all redone. As you can see from, oh no, I get down there. Foot pig. As you can see, when I had to reprime it, I had to there was some in it, there was some air in it, and it won't work when there's any air in it, so I had to get rid of a bit of oil out of it that was stuck in the system. But anyway, that's what I've had to do, so I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to put my toolkit back in here. As for my lock, I'm going to maybe put that in my pocket. I presume is the best thing I can do. I have requested a replacement because the one I got was faulty for the Magnum high capacity reservoir. They are sending out a new one, but I don't think I'll bother installing it on this motorbike because, let's be honest, aesthetically it did not look right. It just, and there's nowhere really else to put, so I'll hang on to it for maybe a future motorbike project. Hopefully when I have this one done, I'll get another one. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Bye.